The United Waters, the tale of the Otter's River Kingdom. Once upon a time, in a world concealed beneath the sparkling surface of a peaceful river, lay a realm known as the Otter's River Kingdom. The residents of this underwater utopia were a harmonious assortment of aquatic creatures, all living together in mutual respect and cooperation. At the center of this enchanting world was the royal family of otters, led by the wise and benevolent King Obadiah and Queen Afra. They had a single child, a clever and playful otter prince named Oscar. Prince Oscar was a curious and adventurous young otter. With his deep blue eyes and sleek, silvery fur, he was the pride of the kingdom. The prince spent his days exploring the realm's hidden depths, uncovering the secrets of the magical river, and forging friendships with the creatures that inhabited it. One day, while Oscar was exploring a submerged cavern, he came across an ancient prophecy etched in the rocky walls. The prophecy foretold the arrival of a sinister force that would threaten the very existence of the Otter's River Kingdom. The writings on the wall suggested that only the unity of the aquatic creatures would be able to overcome the dark power that loomed over their world. Concerned for his realm, Prince Oscar immediately returned to the palace to share the prophecy with his parents. The king and queen, realizing the gravity of the situation, called upon the council of the underwater kingdom. Representatives of all the aquatic species gathered together to discuss the potential threat and devise a strategy to protect their world. To prepare for the battle against the impending darkness, Prince Oscar began to visit each species in the kingdom to learn their unique strengths and abilities. He ventured deep into the forests of swaying kelp to meet with the agile, needle-like needlefish. They showed him how they formed schools and moved as one to outmaneuver predators. Next, Oscar met with the wise, ancient turtles that taught him about the importance of patience and strategy. He then visited the vibrant coral reefs, where the swift and colorful parrotfish demonstrated their agility and finesse. Through his interactions with the many species, Prince Oscar not only gained valuable knowledge but also managed to unite the once separate aquatic creatures, instilling a sense of camaraderie among them. Despite their differences, they began to see each other as allies and friends, bound together by a common cause. As foretold, the day came when the sinister force descended upon the Otter's River Kingdom. Dark clouds gathered over the river, casting a gloomy shadow upon the waters. From the depths emerged the netherfish, a menacing, serpent-like creature with scales as dark as coal and eyes that glowed an eerie red. The netherfish had the power to control the shadows, bending them to its malevolent will. With Oscar leading the charge, the united aquatic creatures rallied to face the netherfish. The needlefish formed a swift and coordinated attack, distracting the beast with their synchronized maneuvers, while the turtles devised a strategic plan of action. The parrotfish darted in and out, harassing the netherfish, preventing it from focusing its dark powers. In the midst of the battle, Prince Oscar spotted a pattern in the movements of the netherfish. He realized that the creature drew its power from the shadows, which weakened as the sun began to break through the clouds. Sensing an opportunity, he gathered a group of bioluminescent jellyfish and commanded them to use their glowing lights to dispel the remaining shadows. As the sunlight returned to the river, the netherfish, weakened and unable to control the shadows, was defeated. It retreated back into the depths from which it had come, vowing never to return. The united aquatic creatures celebrated their hard-fought victory, cheering and rejoicing together. The once fragile bonds between the various species had been forged into an unbreakable alliance, thanks to Prince Oscar's determination and leadership. As the celebrations died down, King Obadiah and Queen Afra praised their son for his bravery and wisdom. They recognized that the prophecy had come to pass not only because of the threat it had foretold, but also because it had revealed the true potential of unity in the kingdom. The Otter's River Kingdom flourished like never before, with each species contributing their unique abilities and working together to create a harmonious and prosperous realm. Their shared victory over the netherfish served as a reminder of the power that lay in their unity and cooperation. Prince Oscar grew up to be a wise and compassionate king, always remembering the lessons he had learned from the prophecy and his experiences with the various creatures of the river. His reign was marked by a newfound respect and understanding among the species, as they continued to work together to maintain the peace and balance of their world. And so, the Otter's River Kingdom remained a hidden gem beneath the surface of the peaceful river, a testament to the strength of unity and the importance of embracing the differences that make each and every creature unique.